one thing's out of the way. All right, so I'm going to show you how I came up with the information for the test analysis. Now, I looked at the chart and I saw the different regions listed from 1 through 5, and then I saw the enrollment numbers. So I decided it took me a lot of different tests, as you can see here, but I finally got it. I was able to go to analyze, compare means and portion, independent sample t-test, put the enrollment here, and then the grouping variable for region 1 and 5. I tried to do the other sample portion where it was like find the data, select the cases, and all of that, but I was just, yeah, it was a lot going on. So I went through everything I was supposed to go through. I was able to actually make my chart. Um, Go through the script. I am checking the assumptions. I'll start with normality by looking at the histogram. Here's my histogram. I had another one too because I ended up narrowing it down. Okay. Um, and then it appears bell shaped, so I'm not seeing an extreme violation of normality. Next, I don't have the Laverne's test for equality or variances on this. I tried to update and add more extensions, but that did pop up. So just went with what's normal on the actual chart. So I looked at the significance um, with the values, and it's greater than zero point 0.5 because it has a 4 here, but I don't know. I kind of question that because I know the APA style kind of make it just zero point 0.5 into the hundredths place and it takes out the thousands place. So, but I guess 4 keeps it at 5, so equal to. Um, the assumption of variance is yeah, I think it was not assumed. But I will proceed with this test. There is no significant greater than 5 point. It's just 0.54 and then 0.003. So I think that was it. But here it looks as though the amount is very drastically different. And then yeah, I think that was about it. So I don't think there's no real significant difference between region 1 and 5. And I'll report this is T93 equals T value, which would be 1.626. P value 0.54. I'm not sure if that's okay, because our p value is greater than 0.5. Well, kind of. We fail to reject the null hypothesis since the result is not statistically significant. The effect size is considered to be zero regardless of the calculated Cohen's d, so we do not interpret it. I'm re-recording this information because I realized after I consulted with ChatGPT that I was reading from the wrong line, and then I started class notes. So the result shows a significant difference, and my D of F or DF is supposed to be 77.267, but for APA formatting, 77.27 because of the 2 decimal places. And then all of the other details. Oh yeah, the Cohen's D, which is supposed to be D39. If I can move this out the way, I'll include my written statement in the YouTube link for the word portion as well. Yeah, so Cohen's D is here. And that's all on that.